In order to achieve this dream, China Aviation Optical Electrical has been making efforts to innovation along with development for over 40 years. With continuous progress, precision connectors have been delivered to every corner of the world. Entering into global supply chains, China Aviation Optical Electrical is the largest and most professional high-tech enterprises engaged in researching and producing highly reliable optical, electrical, and fluid connectors, which also providing total connectivity solutions. Passing through constantly creating and expanding, we blended rich experience and most advanced equipment in here. By grasping the most subtle design and most accurate control of production processes, we connected products by highly reliable, professional, and integrated ways. Successfully applied to the Shenzhou series of spacecraft, lunar exploration, aircraft carriers, and carrier-based aircraft. No matter in aerospace, ship weapons, or nuclear industry, China Aviation Optical Electrical, committed to connect the future with technology, move the world forward with invisible force. No matter in data transmission and communications equipment, rail transportation equipment, petroleum equipment, new energy vehicles, or electrical equipment, new energy equipment, industrial equipment, and medical equipment. China Aviation Optical Electrical, connect you and me, can create intelligent internet for the new